This image shows the exterior of a modern minimalist house. The house has a clean design with large glass windows and a flat roof. A neat green yard and several ornamental trees beautify the landscape. This living room is designed in a modern style that is spacious and comfortable. Minimalist furniture consists of a low, neutral-colored sofa arranged with a coffee table in the middle of the room. A large glass window on one side lets in natural light, brightening this open space. The walls are painted a soft white with some abstract art. A soft rug under the sitting area and a few indoor plants add warmth to the decor. The living room is spacious and warm, creating a comfortable atmosphere for gathering. There is a large sofa facing a flat-screen TV mounted on a minimalist wall unit. Warm colors, wooden floors, and soft carpeting enhance the cozy feel. Natural light from the large windows brightens the room, with half-drawn curtains creating a cozy atmosphere. Bookshelves and small decorations add character without making the room feel cramped. This bedroom features a calming, minimalist modern design. A queen-size bed with a soft headboard and crisp white sheets dominate the space. Large windows allow natural light to flood in, brightening up the peaceful space with light-colored walls. A small table with a nightstand and a single piece of artwork hanging above the bed add to the simple decor. A soft rug by the bed complements the wood flooring, creating a warm and peaceful atmosphere. This bathroom has a modern design. There is a glass-enclosed shower, a large mirror above a minimalist vanity with an elegant countertop, and ceramic floors that give a luxurious impression. This kitchen features a spacious, modern design with an open layout. There is a kitchen island and sleek bar stools. Clean, neutral cabinetry lines the walls, and built-in appliances add a sleek look. Lighting from pendant lights and natural sources brightens the area. The design is minimalist with a few simple appliances for a touch of warmth and functionality.